Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is second max of 3 numbers. Okay, so the problem statement given here that you have given a 3 numbers and you just have to find the second maximum number among 3. Okay, so there is container number of triplet is n and the n line follows, each has 3 separated space. Okay, so here is given a n test cases and there is given a 3 number which is 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, and you just have to find the second max number. Let's suppose there is given a 1 5 6, so the second maximum number is 5. Okay, and suppose 3 4 5 given, 2 3 5 given, second max element is 3, so you just have to return 3. Okay, so I hope you understand the question, that what this question is telling. So in my approach, first I will take int n and then cn n. Okay, and then again I will do while n minus minus is greater than 0, I just have to create int a equals to 3. Okay, and then cn a0, cn a1, and cn a2. Okay, and after finding, you just have to sort a comma a plus 3. Okay, and then you just have to see out a of 1. Okay, so I hope you understand the code and the question also. So let's do this. First you have to take int n and then cn n. Okay, cn n, and then you just have to do while you have to create int a of n size. Okay, and then take cn a of 0, cn a of 1, and a of 2. Okay, and then you just have to do sort a plus 3, a comma a plus 3, and after this you just have to do cout a of 1, which is the second largest element. So let's run this code. Okay, there is an error that I have created. I have to make n minus minus is greater than 0, then I have to create int n equals to, it will be 3. Okay, the size is constant. So let's again run this. I hope now this code works fine, because I have not made the while loop. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.